Now that we really seem to be slowly heading into a time of robots and AI, have you noticed how many of the current crop of robots look like us? Two arms, two legs, a head on top. Why is that? Human-like design isn't just for show. There are some surprisingly practical and, one might say, human reasons why robots keep borrowing our blueprint. First off, our world is built for people. Everything from doorknobs to steering wheels to the microwave in your kitchen is sized for human hands, arms, and legs. A robot shaped like a person can climb the stairs we do, grab the same coffee mugs, and even sit in the same office chairs. If you made robots with, say, 6 arms and tank treads, they'd be cool, but you'd also have to potentially redesign entire buildings just so they could get around. Humanoid robots lower the barrier to adoption. They can slide right into our existing world without expensive changes. Now, while the human body isn't perfectly suited for all tasks, we are versatile. That makes us the ultimate sort of general-purpose machine. Humanoid robots inherit that same adaptability. Instead of designing one robot for sweeping floors and another for stacking boxes, a humanoid platform can, in theory, do both. It's a Swiss Army knife approach to robotics. Then there's psychology. People have a funny habit of treating human-like things as, well, sort of human. Give a robot a face, and suddenly we're smiling back at it. Add arms and legs, and we are more likely to start treating it like a coworker. Research actually shows we trust and cooperate more with robots that look or act a little like us. That's especially important in workplaces or homes where a friendly-looking helper is a lot less intimidating than a metal cube on wheels that looks like it wants to vacuum your soul. Conversely, there's the uncanny valley. Make a robot too human-like and it gets creepy fast. Nobody wants a coworker that looks like a mannequin plotting world domination. Designers have to strike a balance between approachable and nightmare fuel. Now, human-like locomotion and manipulation is hard, ask any toddler. On top of that, humanoid robots are insanely complex, often packed with thousands of parts and advanced control systems. That typically makes them pricey, which is why most factories still rely on simpler, specialized robots for single tasks. Still, the big players are pushing forward. Boston Dynamics' Atlas can flip and climb like a gymnast. Tesla's Optimus is pitched as your future household helper. And companies like Figure AI are rolling out humanoid robots to work in warehouses. The logic is clear. Don't rebuild the world for robots. Build robots that can already fit into our world. So assuming AI gets smarter and mass-produced hardware gets cheaper, humanoids may become the go-to choice for flexible automation. They won't always be the fastest or strongest machines, but they might just be the best teammates for living in a human-shaped world with us. What do you folks think? If you have to live in a world with robotics, would you rather have C-3PO or R2-D2? Let me know in the comments. So that's another video in the can. If you found this informative or interesting, please consider liking and subscribing down below. And remember, be excellent to each other.